Discovery and analysis of traditional medicine of the Hmong ethnic group. Nestled in the mountainous regions of Southeast Asia, the Hmong ethnic group carries a rich tapestry of culture, traditions, and a unique system of healing that has withstood the test of time. In this article, we embark on a journey to discover and analyze the traditional medicine practices of the Hmong people, gaining insights into the wisdom passed down through generations. Historical roots: the Hmong people, with a history stretching back thousands of years, have cultivated a deep connection with nature and the surrounding environment. Traditional medicine in the Hmong community is deeply rooted in their animist beliefs, incorporating spiritual elements that emphasize harmony and balance in the body, mind, and spirit. Healing through herbs, herbal remedies play a central role in Hmong traditional medicine. The knowledge of medicinal plants is often passed down orally from one generation to the next. Hmong healers, often referred to as 3Hmoob or shamans, possess an intimate understanding of local flora, identifying plants with therapeutic properties. These herbal concoctions are used to treat a myriad of ailments, from minor discomforts to more chronic conditions. Rituals and spirituality. Traditional Hmong medicine is inseparable from spirituality. Hmong shamans believe that illnesses are often caused by disturbances in the spiritual realm, and healing involves restoring balance between the physical and spiritual worlds. Rituals, ceremonies, and the use of talismans are integral to the healing process, addressing not only the physical symptoms but also the underlying spiritual disharmony. Acupuncture and massage, in addition to herbal remedies and spiritual practices. The Hmong also employ physical therapies such as acupuncture and massage. These techniques, handed down through generations, aim to stimulate the body's energy flow, promoting overall well-being and alleviating various health issues. The Hmong approach to healthcare is holistic, recognizing the interconnectedness of the body, mind, and spirit. Challenges and preservation. In the face of modernization and globalization, Hmong traditional medicine faces challenges. The younger generation, influenced by modern healthcare practices, may be less inclined to follow the traditional healing methods. Additionally, the encroachment of deforestation and environmental changes poses a threat to the availability of medicinal plants. Efforts are being made within the Hmong community and by external organizations to document and preserve traditional knowledge. Recognizing the value of this ancient wisdom, initiatives are underway to bridge the gap between traditional and modern medicine, fostering a harmonious coexistence that respects the cultural heritage of the Hmong people. Conclusion: the discovery and analysis of traditional medicine among the Hmong ethnic group reveal a profound connection between culture, spirituality, and the natural world. As we explore the healing practices of this community, it becomes clear that Hmong traditional medicine is not just a set of remedies but a holistic approach to well-being that encompasses the physical, spiritual, and cultural dimensions of life. In a rapidly changing world, efforts to preserve and integrate this ancient wisdom are crucial for the continued flourishing of Hmong traditional medicine. Thanks for watching.